together with Method Fragrance. We're working on which kinds of fragrances might be especially effective, say in the context of a spin class.
Alright guys, let's inhale, let's draw those shoulders right up and down our back and get that scent into our nostrils. Nice work. Keep those inhale exhales going.
Well, this class is multi-sensory, which is a brand new thing. I mean, when Method came to Gymbox, we were so excited to do it. We've got 3 scents being pumped into the room at different times. It's an express class. 30 minutes, you're going to burn some serious fat.
Breathe in that scent. That fresh grass is really kicking in.
Method are partnering with Gymbox to celebrate the launch of our brand new laundry detergent. Gymbox are the perfect partners for us because sweat is in their DNA. We're all about letting go and having fun, so spinners can get us super sweaty and we can take care of their clothes.
Wait for it! See yourself in that lovely field of grass. Now, breathe.
When they're inhaling and exhaling, you can see it really going in there and their faces light up. It just really changes because when they know that they've got a shorter amount of time to work out and you've got these scents coming as well, it just pushes them that little bit harder. And the way we designed the class makes that possible.
It was amazing, yeah, I've never done anything like that before. Like, the scents were incredible and they made such a difference. I worked so much harder than I thought I was going to, it was great.